Welcome to Jannat Learning's digital class. This video is for the Virtual University course Introduction to Computer Science CS 101. Module 220 Spreadsheets, MS Excel Introduction. We hope you will find this informative and helpful. Please subscribe to Jannat Learning if you haven't already. Your feedback will be highly appreciated. The Excel Starter startup screen appears, and a blank spreadsheet is displayed. In Excel Starter, a spreadsheet is called a worksheet, and worksheets are stored in a file called a workbook. Workbooks can have one or more worksheets in them. Columns, labeled with letters, and rows, labeled with numbers, make up the cells of your worksheet. Fill series to automatically add serial numbers. Select the cell from where you want to start your serial numbers and insert 1 in it. Now, go to Home tab, then Editing, then Fill, then Series. In the Series window, do the following. Series in equals column. Step value equals 1. Stop value equals 10,000 or whatever you want up to. Click OK. You can create an auto serial date step in Excel. Now, go to Home tab, then Editing, then Fill, then Series. Select the cell with the first date. Select the range of cells you want to fill. Select Fill, then Series, then type date. Select the unit you want to use. Step value equals 1. Stop value if you have type it, otherwise keep it null. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel without using any built-in functions. You just need to use some basic operators: plus, minus, multiply, division. All formulas start with an equals symbol, sign. Create a custom date format. To apply date formatting, click the cell that contains the date that you want to format, and then on the Home tab, in the Alignment Number group. If you want to use a format that isn't in the type box, you can create your own. Thank you for attending the Jannat Learning digital class.